The 2025 Ford Torino Cobra represents a bold reimagining of a classic muscle car, blending retro styling cues with cutting-edge technology and performance. Ford's decision to revive the Torino Cobra nameplate has generated excitement among muscle car enthusiasts and modern performance aficionados alike. This latest iteration takes inspiration from the original late 1960s and early 1970s models, known for their aggressive styling and formidable powertrains, while incorporating state-of-the-art engineering to meet the demands of today's performance standards. Under the hood, the 2025 Torino Cobra is expected to offer a range of powertrain options designed to satisfy both traditional muscle car purists and those looking for modern efficiency. The centerpiece of the lineup is a supercharged 5.2 V8 engine, derived from Ford's GT500 program, delivering a staggering 760 horsepower and 625 lb-ft of torque. This engine ensures blistering acceleration and a throaty exhaust note that echoes the muscle car era. For those seeking a more balanced power-to-efficiency ratio, Ford has introduced a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, providing a respectable 600 horsepower while enhancing fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. In response to growing market trends and regulatory pressures, Ford is also offering an all-electric variant of the Torino Cobra, equipped with a dual-motor setup producing over 800 horsepower and instant torque delivery, making it one of the quickest cars in its class. The design of the 2025 Torino Cobra masterfully balances heritage and modern aesthetics. The front fascia features a bold grille reminiscent of the classic models, with a prominent Cobra badge taking center stage. Sharp LED headlights flank the grille, giving the car an aggressive and futuristic look. The long hood, sculpted body lines, and muscular fenders pay homage to the original Torino Cobra's stance, while modern aerodynamic enhancements such as an active front splitter and rear diffuser contribute to improved high-speed stability. The rear end showcases a set of triple-bar taillights, a signature Ford design cue, along with an integrated rear spoiler to enhance downforce. Large 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires complete the aggressive look, ensuring the Torino Cobra not only looks the part, but performs exceptionally on the road and track. Inside, the cabin of the 2025 Torino Cobra is a blend of retro charm and modern technology. Premium materials such as Alcantara, carbon fiber, and hand-stitched leather dominate the interior, providing a luxurious yet performance-vacant environment. The dashboard features a fully digital instrument cluster with customizable displays, allowing drivers to monitor vital performance metrics such as boost levels, G-forces, and lap times. A large infotainment touchscreen powered by Ford's latest Sync system offers seamless connectivity, navigation, and smartphone integration. Despite its high-performance nature, the Torino Cobra offers comfort features such as heated and ventilated seats, a premium B&O sound system, and advanced driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a track mode with AI-assisted driving capabilities. The chassis and suspension of the 2025 Torino Cobra have been meticulously engineered to deliver an exhilarating driving experience. Utilizing a lightweight aluminum space frame with strategic use of high-strength steel, the car achieves an optimal power-to-weight ratio. The suspension setup includes adaptive MagneRide dampers that automatically adjust to driving conditions, providing a comfortable ride on the highway while stiffening up for spirited driving. A limited slip rear differential ensures maximum traction, and the Brembo braking system offers exceptional stopping power, with massive 6-piston front and 4-piston rear calipers clamping down on ventilated rotors. For enthusiasts who demand the ultimate track experience, an optional performance package includes upgraded suspension components, a more aggressive aero kit, and weight-saving measures such as carbon fiber body panels. Ford has also incorporated advanced driving modes into the 2025 Torino Cobra, catering to a variety of driving scenarios. The selectable drive modes include normal, sport, track, and drag strip, each adjusting throttle response, suspension stiffness, and steering dynamics. The electric variant benefits from an additional eco mode, optimizing battery efficiency for extended range. The inclusion of launch control and line lock features enhances the car's drag racing capabilities, allowing drivers to achieve optimal acceleration off the line. Safety has not been overlooked in the development of the Torino Cobra, with Ford equipping the vehicle with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance and crash avoidance technologies. The high-strength frame and advanced airbag systems provide occupant protection in the event of a collision, while features such as forward collision warning, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking contribute to overall road safety. The electric model also includes additional features such as regenerative braking and one-pedal driving, enhancing overall efficiency and reducing driver fatigue during long commutes. The revival of the Ford Torino Cobra is more than just a nostalgic exercise. It's a statement of Ford's commitment to performance, innovation, and heritage. Whether in its high-powered V8 form or cutting-edge electric configuration, the Torino Cobra delivers an unparalleled driving experience that appeals to a wide range of enthusiasts. The competition in the modern muscle car segment is fierce, with rivals from Dodge and Chevrolet continuing to push the boundaries of performance and technology. However, Ford's strategic blend of power, efficiency, and iconic design ensures that the Torino Cobra stands out in an increasingly crowded market. Pricing for the 2025 Torino Cobra is expected to start at around $60,000 for the base V8 model, with the high-performance variants and the electric version reaching into the $90,000 range. Despite its premium positioning, the car's performance capabilities, advanced technology, and rich heritage make it a compelling option for enthusiasts looking to experience the thrill of a true American muscle car. With production set to begin in late 2024, anticipation for the 2025 Torino Cobra continues to build. The combination of raw power, modern technology, and striking design makes it a worthy successor to the legendary nameplate. Ford's ability to bridge the gap between classic muscle and futuristic innovation ensures that the Torino Cobra will resonate with both longtime fans and a new generation of performance enthusiasts. As the automotive industry shifts toward electrification and sustainability, the Torino Cobra proves that the thrill of high-performance driving is far from over.